Saturday morning shopping, boring as anything. I won't bore you with that bit. I'll have to show you this that we just come across. How cool is that? Love coming across little stuff like that. It's always in summer, the countryside here just comes alive, loads of stuff going on. Anyway, back home. Well, I'll be honest, we've been shopping all day, doing boring adult stuff. Can I be bothered to do anything now? Are you guys cool with just watching me just chill out and sunbathe for the next 4 minutes? Yeah? Nah, I wouldn't do that to you. Alright, we'll find someone. By the way, just look at all the stuff that's come out of just some little bits of wool. And this is exactly why I hate the inside stuff, because you're desperate to get all the stuff from inside out so you don't have to be in a mess. Just a clearing up. Horrible. Anyway, so here's what I'm thinking I'm going to do. I'm going to take away the stone here, ready to put the lintel in. It's not a massive amount that has to come out. In this hole here, I've actually found the end of the lintel, so I know how far I have to go through and whereabouts it is. So it's only about whatever that is. So in man measurements, that's about 12 inches. Take that out. I've got the oak already. Put the oak in. Cement the top. Probably going to run out of time. Take the stone out, put the lintel in, and I'll cement it tomorrow morning. These aren't how-to videos. I'm going to risk it just taking it out. I've done it a lot of times. And with a stone wall, you can get away with taking quite a lot out without anything falling down. But don't try this at home. Well, wish me luck. That's kind of the area of stone that I need to take out. I'm just going to start taking out the stones one by one and hope two things. One, I don't break this pipe because it's full of poo, and two, the house doesn't fall down. Something's definitely been living in there. Let me show you. Yeah. That's all little husks. That's something's been collected, like a loir or a mouse or something like that. Really common actually when you take these old stone walls out to find that, but that's a serious collection in there. Right, God, sweating. So I've uncovered where I need to put the lintel in. I found the old lintel. Maybe need to come a little bit further down. I'm just going to put a mask on and blast out all these horrible creature stuff that's in there. God, that's gross. So here's what I mean. You can see the old lintel there. So I'm basically just going to slot a new lintel in here and cement it in, and that's it. I'm really surprised at how thin this lintel goes. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's kind of like really thick there. And then they've cut a notch out for some reason. Well, the house is still up, so I ain't worried too much. So that's about ready for a lintel to go in now. It's all uncovered. Probably going to wait till tomorrow now, just because so I won't have time to mix it and everything before disturbing the kids for bed. But yeah, should be an easy job. So I'm not actually going to take the whole doorway out yet, because clearly we haven't got a boot room here, it's just an empty space. But what I want to do is have the lintel in ready, and I'll prep the other side as well tomorrow, so that all the openings there ready to be knocked through, and then, you know, as soon as we can we'll just and do that. I am desperate to get all this horrible stuff out of my hair and off my skin. I'm going to get a shower and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.